Welcome back to the old toy shed at the Hill Manor. Now the observant of you will notice that we're back on the old Bantam project. You might also notice that we've had a bit of a change round. We've now got some shelves to make the place look a little bit tidier. You notice what else is missing? Multistrada. My beloved Multistrada, she's gone. Now I'm still waiting for the arrival of the brand new Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. I think he's waiting for it as well. So until that comes, we're going to do a little bit more work on the Bantam. Two things going on at the moment. I have got a brand new stainless steel, look at that beauty, front wheel rim. Only drama now is that I've only got half the amount of stainless steel spokes to go with it. The other 20 spokes are on back order. But I know it's been a while since we last did an update on the Bantam project, and that's mainly because I've been waiting for some bits. One of the bits is the primary drive chain. Now, it's all right to get the old chain off, piece of cake, no problem at all. Just take the cover off, drain the oil out, take the cover off, pop the clip, screw that out, that comes off. No dramas at all. Now the new chain doesn't have a link. For some bizarre reason, they've stopped putting links in chains. So to try and get it on, I've had to take the clutch out, I've had to take the whole clutch housing off, the kickstart off, to get the chain onto the main, the clutch sprocket. Because there's no link in the chain, I can't get the chain onto the front sprocket. I've tried all sorts of things. I've even contemplated pulling that off, but it's stuck. I don't know what force they put it on there, but I'm struggling at getting that off the front sprocket. So if anybody's got any bright ideas on how I go about getting the chain on, please comment, point us in the right direction on how it's done, because I'm clueless. I haven't got a Scooby. It's hard enough just getting it onto the back one, onto the clutch sprocket. And you notice that I've got all the bits down there. The oil as well, there's some sediment in the oil that came out. It's all clean oil, but there was some muck in the bottom of the what's name, so Anyway, please let us know how I'm supposed to get the new chain onto the two sprockets, because I can't work it out. But you know I'm not a mechanic, so please help. So until the next one, please subscribe to the channel, keep watching for updates. Once I get the new bike, the new Himalayan, we're going to be doing lots of ride outs on that. Once I get this finished, we'll do a couple of rides out. Might go over to the Haynes bike night. Might take a trip to Loomies. There's being ambitious, eh? So until the next one, thank you for your time. Please comment, let me know how I can get that on there. So until then, TTFN, ta-ta for now.